Pagani sa tribo, sa gugma, sundalo nga kanunay kanimo. Ihalad akong dugo, kahayag, kangitni, kalipay o kasakit, sa yuta o langit. Ikaw ang kalibutan ko, patubalan ka sa mga di ko pasimpatan. Patubalan ka sa mga andang pagkamatyan ko. Kinsa may dili ganahan ni sugaling kinabuhi, nagto sa usa kabahan di nga imong gipili kung adlaw-adlaw niya imo. Kanimo nga sa adlaw-adlaw ka tugmaon o pilion.
Do you remember when we were young? You were always with your friends. Wanted to grab your hand and run away from them. I knew that it was time to tell you how I feel. So I made a move, I took your hand. My heart was beating loud like I've never felt before. You smiling at me like you wanted more. I think you're the one I've never seen before. I want you to know